Lot S147 is a 1970 Pontiac Trans Am, rotisserie restored, one of 3,198 produced for 1970, matching numbers 400, 335 horsepower V8 automatic, and it sold for $74,800 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read some of the highlights from the Mecum website. And the odometer reads 99,663 miles. And it was rotisserie restored, one of 3,198 produced for 1970. Matching numbers Ram Air 3 400, 335 horsepower V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear axle, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air conditioning, bucket seats and console, tachometer, Rally 2 wheels, Goodyear polyglass tires, and PHS Pontiac Historical Society documents. And it was a real nice car, as you see on the poster board there. It points out some of the other things and shows some of the documentation for the car. But it was a real nice rotisserie restoration done to it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.